Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your WAMP server or WAMP manager and have it automatically start when you run your Windows machine. For this video, I am using Windows 11 with WAMP Server 3.4.0 installed. I have the most recent version of Apache, version 2.4.65, and I am running MariaDB as my DBMS. You can still follow along if you have chosen MySQL. The steps are still the same. First, if your server is not already started, go ahead and start that by going to your start menu, typing in ramp, and then clicking the icon to start it up. But as you can see in my bottom right hand corner, WAMP is already running. If you do not see this icon in your bottom right hand corner, but you know WAMP is already running, check to see it's not being hidden in the hidden icon that's on the far left hand side of the screen. Okay, first, left click on this icon and now stop all services. This is important because the service will not be able to install itself if you already are running it somehow, meaning port 80 and port 3306 are both blocked. As you can see, the icon is red, which means we're good to go. So now you're going to left click once again on the icon. Now you will see my menu has Apache, MariaDB. Yours might have Apache, Maria, and MySQL. That's fine. In another video, I will show you how to disable MariaDB, but it's quite simple. Okay, we're going to start by installing the Apache service by coming here to Apache. And now you're going to come up here to Service Administration. And now you're going to go to Install Service. Port 80 is now available. Install will proceed. Press Enter. Done. You're going to repeat the process by coming back down to the bottom right. You're going to repeat the process by coming down here. You're going to go to MariaDB. You're going to go to Service Administration. And you're once again going to hit Install Service, which will cause another window to pop up to confirm that you want to install it into port 3306. If you have MySQL, you repeat the process, but you will click the MySQL option, then Service Administration, and then click on MySQL or MySQL. Now, if all of the services are good to go, your WAMP would once again try to start itself back up. If that's the case, fine, let it run. Otherwise, if it does not start back up right away, left click on your icon. Left click on your icon and now choose Restart All Services. And now the icon should turn green. If it does not turn green, that means you have a configuration error within your INI files for both of those services. Double check on those by inspecting the INI file or seeing the error log and see what's blocking it from starting. Okay, now staying in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to right click on your icon now, and you're going to go up here to the options icon or the about menu. I'm going to left click on that, and this will cause the tray menu manager to pop up just like this. From here, you're going to proceed to go into the top right hand corner and click for the options icon. And now you're going to have Auto Start Applications WAMP Manager only. I'm actually going to disable this so you can see what it looks like. But now you're going to left click on it once again. The file has been added. Registration in the schedule is effective. Program will start automatically. Press OK. Save the options. This will take about 45 seconds. I'm going to fast forward this. And you are all set. Press OK, click the X, and now that you have completed this, whenever you reboot your Windows machine, your Windows will automatically start WAMP Manager. If you want to reverse this, the only thing that you have to do at that point is to come down, right click on the file, click on Options About, and deselect the icon in the Options menu. And that will remove the launcher from appearing in your Windows configuration. And other than that, you are all set. Your WAMP manager will take one final chance to reboot itself. It'll be a graceful restart, and from that point going forward, your WAMP will now automatically start when you start your Windows. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. But otherwise, I hope to see you in the next one.